Mitsubishi 20 horsepower mid-size tractor. Just a little bit bigger than a compact tractor. We've sold this one before. It's come back in and we've used it for a few jobs. We've done a bit of grass topping with it and some rolling. It really is a great little tractor for the money, this. Very, very usable. I'll just knock it off. And you can hear me better. So yeah, we've already, since it come back, probably done about 3 hours work with it. Never missed a beat. Super smooth 4-cylinder engine on it. You've got 4-speed gearbox here and 3 ranges there. You've got 3-speed PTO, diff lock, twin brakes, hand throttle there, foot throttle down there. It's got brand new tyres on the back. Still got all the pips on, look. And the front ones are just a couple of months old. They've still got pips on the sides there. All doing what they should, look, and no age cracks, no leaks. Clutch on this side here, 2 oil inspection points there. Lights and such like are not working, but everything else is spot on. Actually, I'm not sure whether the indicators do work. Oh, they do, sorry. Headlights aren't working. It's just the headlights then that's not working, don't listen to me. So there we go, we've got a proper Catlowdy 3-point linkage on the back here with an original tow bar. It does want a PTO guard sorting out for it, and we've already got a little topper mower that could go with this tractor if you want it, or you can just take it as it is. If you buy the mower and the tractor together, there's a little saving to be made. There's also an adjustable top link there, a hydraulic adjustable one off these controls. It's not in use and we haven't tried or tested it. There you go, great little tractor. Watch it driving around. Used by our customer, was very happy with it, and we've tried and tested it since it returned to us.